Hello, today's topic is our outdoor microphone MR10 and I like to show you how to assemble it. So here on our web page you can see the cross-section design, how it looks like, and now I show you how to assemble it together. So here I have the parts. I recommend for outdoor use RG58 coaxial cable, which is resistant for ultraviolet light. So now we have here this part and we put it here together. And then we slide it here into this section. Let's do like this. Yeah, okay. So then next we push this together here so that it looks like this. Now as next we take here the gasket put it like this together and then I put the BNC cable through. So now I screw it together and then I push the cable here through and then I connect the ME19 SW or ME21 or another microphones which are splash water protected. So now I pull this here back and put the windscreen onto the microphone. So this is then the finalized product. So just in case you have to fasten this here, so you have to screw this here strongly together so that here at this point the water cannot go inside of this rain protection kit. So this is here now how it should be. So that's all for today. Thank you very much and goodbye.